Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an email archive in Outlook web app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you enter the URL, you'll be taken to the Outlook web app login page. Go ahead and sign in using your Microsoft account credentials to access your inbox. After your email interface loads completely, you'll see your inbox pane on the left side of the screen. This is where all your emails and email folders are organized and displayed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout, as this is where you'll be creating your new archive folder. Now, if you want to create an email archive separate from the default archive folder that Outlook provides, you'll need to locate your existing archive folder first. Look through your folder list in the inbox pane until you find the archive folder. Once you've located it, hover your cursor directly over the archive folder name. When you do this, you'll notice a three-dot icon appears next to the folder name. This icon represents additional options for managing your archive folder. Click on the three-dot icon and a context menu will pop up with several options. This menu gives you various ways to customize and organize your archive folders. From this menu, you'll see an option that says Create New Folder. Click on this option to proceed. This feature allows you to create a sub-archive folder, which is incredibly useful for organizing different categories of emails within your main archive. Once you click Create New Folder, the system will automatically generate a new subfolder directly underneath your main archive folder. This happens instantly, and you'll see the new folder appear in your folder hierarchy. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter a name for this new archive subfolder. Type in a descriptive name that reflects the type of emails you plan to store there, such as Work Archive, Personal Archive, or Project Archive. This naming convention will help you stay organized and quickly locate archived emails in the future. After filling in the name field, your new archive subfolder is ready to use. You can now start moving and archiving emails into this newly created folder, allowing you to organize your archived messages by different categories and keep your inbox clean and manageable. This makes it much easier to find specific archived emails later when you need to reference them. And that's it! You've successfully created a custom email archive subfolder in Outlook web app, giving you better control over how you organize your archived messages. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.